Today the topic of discussion is in doubly circular linked list. We'll study how to insert a node at middle, that is at any position. That is, you have to insert a node not at beginning, not at end, somewhere in middle, somewhere other than beginning and end. So if you see what we have done prior to this, we have seen how to create doubly circular linked list, and in that we have seen how to create a menu. What is the menu program of doubly circular linked list? So I request you to watch these videos first. Then we have understood how to print element of doubly circular linked list. Then prior to this video, we have just seen that how to insert, no, that how to insert. Wait, there is some how to insert a node at beginning. If you see, just we have discussed how to insert a node at beginning. Fine. So how to insert at beginning we have just seen. Now our job is to see how to insert a node at middle. So let's start. So you know very well, I have just explained you that insertion itself has a menu that if you press 1 you can insert at beginning, if you press 2 you can insert in middle, if you press 3 you can insert at end. What do you want? I want to insert at middle. So the moment I press 2, ch will have to, switch will have to, I'll jump to case 2, and in case 2 I'm calling what? Insert mid function. I'm calling insert mid function. Meanwhile, if you want to see the linked list, you have a linked list. Fine. Something which is like this, doubly circular linked list. Now let's go to imid coding. This is imid coding. So in imid coding, we have created two pointer, one temp and current, and the data type of both pointer is node 1. So what is this node 1? So I have explained you, as told you many times, what is node 1. When we have created this doubly circular linked list, we have created a structure having name node. There are three part, one data and two addresses, one next and previous. Next will keep the address of next node, previous will keep the address of previous node, and then we have created variable of this structure. And what, after creating variable of this structure, we have type defined it. So type defining means now this node 1 is representing the structure, this node 1 is representing the entire structure. Means if you do not use type def, then wherever you are using node 1, you have to use what? You have to use struct node. Fine. So in order to simplify the code, we have used node 1. Fine. Okay. So let's move. So if you want to see what is your linked list, here is a linked list, doubly circular linked list, where there are 5 nodes, head and tail, and after that 3 nodes. Fine. Okay. What you did, you have initialized this current pointer with head. What is head? 100. So current will come to node 100. Fine. Okay. Now what is your job? Tell me, what is your job? Your job is to insert a node. So if you want to insert a node, you have to create a node. If you want to insert a node, you have to create a node. We have created two more variable, position and I. So we have created a position, we have not initialized it. We have created a variable, we have initialized it with 1. What is position? We will ask with user, what is the position? What is the position? No, in which position you want to insert. Now what this line will do, I have explained you many times. This line will create a node. So this, suppose this node gets created, the name of the node will be temp, and suppose the address of this node is 600. Fine. Okay. Now what I will ask with user, enter the position where you want to insert a node. So user will enter position. So suppose I want to insert a node at 4th position, that is first, second, third, and in 4th position. Here in between of these I have to create a node. No, I have to insert a node. So that's why I have created my structure over here. Now fine. Now I will ask user, enter the data, because I have created a node. I'll ask the user, enter the data. Suppose user had entered 50. So where this 15 will go? In the address of temp data part, this 15 will go. So 15 will come here. Now you have to make a connectivity. Fine. So before connectivity, what you have to do, you have to run this loop, and this loop is very common. I have used same loop in all the linked lists. Either it is singly linked list, singly circular linked list, doubly linked list, or now we are using doubly circular linked list. Fine. So while position is what? 4 is not equal to I plus 1. What is I? 1 plus 1. Yes, 4 is not equal to 1 plus 1. Condition becomes true. I'll move inside and I'll update current. Current will have current next. What is current next? 200. So current will move from this place to this place. Fine. Okay. And I'll increment I. What is increment? Means I will become 2. Now what I'll do, I'll again check the condition. Is position, what is position? 4. What is position? 4 is not equal to I plus 1. What is I now? 2. 2 plus 1. Is 4 not equal to 2 plus 1? Yes. 4 is not equal to 3. Condition again become true. I'll move current. Current will have current next. So what is current next? 300. So current will come from this place to this place, which is already there. No, fine. Okay. Now I'll increment I. I will become 3. Will I go out of the loop? No, I'll again check the condition. Is position is fixed 4, is not equal to I plus 1. What is I? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, not equal to 3 plus 1. Is 4 not equal to 3 plus 1? No, false. 4 is equal to 3 plus 1. Condition becomes false. Now I'll come out of the loop and I'll see the if block. Is position equal to I plus 1? Yes, I've just seen that position is 4 and I plus 1 is also 4. Condition become true. Now I'll move inside. So let's no, I've already always told you first make the connectivity of temp. Why? You have to understand, because if you jumble this, you will see. I'll not explain you this. Now it's your homework. If you keep this line up and put this line down, then you will understand why you cannot connect. Now let's understand. First of all, what I'll do, I'll make the connectivity of temp. So temp, this previous will keep, because temp is coming in between. So when temp will come in between, this part will keep the address of this and this part will keep the address of this. So what is this part? This part is address of this. And what is the name of this node? Current. So temp previous will have current. What is current? 300. So the moment I put 300 over here, so this will start pointing this. Fine, first part completed. Now temp will ask current. Temp will ask current, hello current. Current will say, yes temp, kindly give your next address to me. So current will say, why should I give my next address to you? So temp will say, because I am coming in between and the address which you are keeping I will keep now. Fine. So that is what I'm saying. Temp next, this will keep current next. What is current next? 400. So what will happen? 400 will come here. The moment 400 will come here, this node will start pointing this node. Fine. Okay, now temp connectivity is over. Now main job is, since this is pointing this is pointing this, so this will point this and this will point this. How these will things will take place? Let's see. Current next will have temp. Current next. Current next. This is current next. Fine, will have temp. What is temp? 600. So current next will have 600. So what I'll do, I'll make 600 over here. The moment I put 600, this will start pointing this. Fine. So what has happened? This connectivity is broken. Fine. This is very true. Now current is equal to, make changes in current. No, update current. Current will have temp next. What is temp next? 400. So the new value of current will become 400 because temp next is 400. So current will come from this place to this place. Fine. Okay, what I'll do, current previous, this node is current and this is current previous. Current previous will have temp. What is temp? 600. So what will be here? 600. So this node will start pointing this node. Fine. So what has actually happened? This connectivity will get broken. So what happened? This node is now connected, fully connected, and temp has taken its position. Fine. So this is very easy coding. If you want to see the diagram, no, if you want to see the diagram, let me rub all these things. If you want to see the diagram, you can see this, how these things are taking place. This is taking this is taking this connection will get broken. This will keep now no, this will keep this and this will keep this and this connection will get broken. Fine. And what will happen finally, that this node 7 which we are trying to insert will come in between. That is 4, 5, 6 and 7 will come, and after 8 and then 9. So if you see, then 4, 5, 6, then 7, which we were trying to insert having address 600. Fine. Then 8 and then 9. Fine. So this is how we have inserted a node at middle of what? Middle of doubly circular linked list. So this was a coding, and this coding actually it's almost same of if you see uh, doubly linked list, or if you see singly linked list, if you say singly circular linked list.